Hello and welcome to our live severe weather update. We currently have some significant storms pushing our way into our region. Hi, I'm Stormtracker 16 meteorologist Jeremy Lewan. With this live weather update, we just had the National Weather Service put down some tornado watches in our area. I'm going to show you what's going on here. It's a pretty difficult and complex scene, but I'm going to break it down for you so you can understand a little bit better. We currently have this yellow color, a tornado watch for most of our area, specifically in central Pennsylvania. There are some severe thunderstorm warnings out of our area down south, just to the south of Pennsylvania into West Virginia, as well as into Ohio. And there is actually a tornado warning right now for portions of northwestern West Virginia. So these tornadoes are on their way. These storms capable of producing tornadoes are on their way. So you're going to want to make sure you take these storms that are on their way very seriously. They are capable of producing some hail, some high winds, as well as the possibility of tornadoes. So we are under a tornado watch, and I just want to remind you what a tornado watch is. I'm going to switch the graphics here. A tornado watch is when you want to be prepared. The conditions are favorable for tornadoes to form. Meteorologists look at all kinds of different parameters in order to understand whether or not a tornado, if enough rotation within the lower atmosphere could produce a tornado. It looks like those atmospheric parameters are in place as of right now. Once those storms push in, they will be capable of producing a tornado. Or tornado warning, which is what you saw there in West Virginia, that means a tornado was either indicated by radar or spotted by an actual person on the ground. That's when you want to take action. And of course, a tornado emergency is a severe threat to human life and catastrophic damage. So throughout the day, we might see a tornado warning in our area. We definitely already have that tornado watch as issued by the National Weather Service until 9 p.m. And I have this big red circled area here for where the storms are their worst right now. You can see they're already pushing through portions of West Virginia, southern Ohio, push through portions of Kentucky. There are these little rotation symbols that indicate some early rotation within a storm. And this is going to be pushing its way towards the northeast and headed towards us. So let me give you a closer up view of that. You can see all this moisture along these different warm fronts here, and a lot of lift in the atmosphere allowing for these thunderstorms to produce themselves. We had one thunderstorm push through central Pennsylvania, like Clement County saw some rain, also Sullivan County up into Bradford and Susquehanna counties, but that wasn't of the severe variety yet. It was almost like wetting our palate for what's to come. There was some possible small hail, maybe the size of peas in that storm, but that's nothing compared to what's down to our southwest. You see all of that orange and red and purple, that's headed our way, and that's what's capable of producing some significant thunderstorms. There are already some thunderstorms popping up around State College. You can see some heavy downpours there with the reds, some lightning strikes as well, some storms capable of producing some small hail. But these are on the less severe side. What's going to be coming is what you're going to want to watch out for. Also some downpours now near Lewisburg, also near Trout Run as well. You see these dew points up into the 70s. This allows for saturation or clouds to form really low in the atmosphere and very readily. So you can see clouds form and then thunderstorms be able to continue up into the atmosphere, producing those heavy downpours. The higher the cloud is, the stronger the updrafts. And if you have strong updrafts, what goes up must come back down. So you have strong downdrafts as well as strong rain, heavy rain, and possible winds. So here's what I think is going to happen. This is the RPM model. As meteorologists, we look into many different models to be able to understand what's going to occur in the atmosphere a little bit later on. I think this one's a little bit behind in what I think is going to happen. So there could be a line of storms that occurs here 2:30, extending all the way from the northern tier down towards State College. Then it kind of pushes its way eastward around 4:30, really blossoming, giving us those heavy downpours, high winds, possible small hail, and these storms are capable of producing tornadoes as they move through eastern Pennsylvania by 7 o'clock. We'll have a secondary round of thunderstorms just as strong and severe, moving through central Pennsylvania around 7:30, and then headed its way towards Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, down through the southern tier, Stroudsburg, Pike County, Wayne County, seeing it around 9:30. And then things clear out for the overnight hours. Things will remain mostly cloudy overnight. Tomorrow it'll also be cloudy. We'll have a shot for some shower activity, but not severe weather. Severe weather is today, some showers and clouds tomorrow. Actually brightening up for a really nice day on Wednesday. So if you have anything to do, you're going to want to get out and do it now. If you have any errands to run, if you have any patio furniture out, I was just talking to one of the ladies here who works in our newsroom, and she says, oh, I left my basil on my porch and I'm not going to be able to go get it. You're going to want to bring in those garden plants so that they don't get ruined by any hail that may fall, any high winds that you may see up to 60 miles per hour, even greater than 60 miles per hour. Definitely possible with these storms. Flash flooding possible as we have really heavy downpours expected. And again, the conditions are favorable in the atmosphere for tornadoes to occur. And I just want to remind you, should we have a tornado warning in our area, which I think is possible as we go on through the next hours, you're going to want to get to your basement. If you're within that tornado warning, your basement is the safest place to be during a tornado. And remember, if you don't have a basement, go to the lowest level of your home. And if you don't have a low level of your home, you want to get as many walls between you and the outdoors as possible. That can be an interior hallway or even your bathroom. And if you don't have an interior area, then going under a table can help you. And remember, you can put on a helmet to protect your head from flying debris. All right, here's what you can expect for your 7 days ahead. I have that big exclamation point for Monday because we could see those severe storms throughout the afternoon hours today. Tuesday, we'll have some residual showers, mostly cloudy skies. Wednesday looks like my pick of the week, so hopefully you can get through these storms today and really enjoy Wednesday. Thursday will bring us our next shot for some rain, and then we have some rain chances again for the weekend. I'm going to show you one more time before we head off for this live broadcast. Once again, what has been issued by the National Weather Service. A tornado warning. Has already been issued for portions of West Virginia south of our area. Once this loads up for me, there we go. And all of this yellow color is a tornado watch, which means if you're located anywhere in Union, Snyder, Northumberland, Schuylkill, Montour, Columbia counties up through Sullivan County, Tioga as well, like Cumming, Clinton, you are in prime conditions to be seeing a tornado in the next few hours as these storms develop between 2 and 7 p.m. You're going to want to remain weather aware. We'll have all the updates coming for you on Newswatch 16 at 4 o'clock. I'll be on for Kurt until around 6:30, so you're going to be able to get more updates from me as these storms develop. And of course, we'll go live here if there is any tornadoes in our region. All right, stay safe and try to get out and do anything you need to do right now before these storms come in.